There we go, guys. We have a big nuke, and it's gonna destroy everything. Not everything, but it's gonna destroy some stuff. Our city. No, I won't. Yeah, I did. That's what the explosion was look like. And now we have a big explosion coming. Here we go, guys. Boom! Oh my God! Guys, you can see everything. Look at that! Whoa! Oh my God! Oh! Yeah. Look at this. Here we go, guys. Here we go. My thing's so laggy. Oh my God. Oh, my thing's gonna crash. Oh my God. Let me see. Oh my God. This is kind of funny, but it destroyed. Oh my God. The barn. It destroyed it. Oh no. Oh no, it destroyed it. It destroyed the barn. It actually destroyed the barn. Oh my God. It actually destroyed the barn. It destroyed the hotel too. I have no idea. God. This is what the city is like. Oh my God. Seen that whole entire thing. Yeah, it's actually gone. Uh-oh. Yeah. It did. I know, I'm mad. Oh my God. Bro, Ivan, how did you do that? How did you put blocks filled? Slash fill. I'm so lucky I actually copied it. I like the weekly design. Probably. Oh my God. But it's still kind of destroyed though. Oh my god. Well, guys, that's gonna be the end of the video here. This is an insane thing, but luckily we have the city save, so I'm gonna go to my copy, guys. I'm gonna go to my copy.